All right, welcome. This is Matt Smith here at Colton RV and Marine, and what we're going to do today is we're actually going to go through a pontoon boat that we have here. We have a few different models. We're going to start with this Vista. This Vista is a 20 LR, so it's a 20 foot. It is a double tube, so this one's great for tooling around, small lakes, smoother water, everything like that. They do a lifetime warranty deck down. So that means anything below the deck is a lifetime limited warranty. Everything deck up is a 6-year warranty on it, except for the electronics. That's all going to be a 1-year warranty. Very good warranties on the Sunchaser. The one thing they do well is between all their railings, it's all bolted and welded, so it's not going to flex as you're hitting those waves going down the river or in the lake. They got all the navigation lights, everything that you need. Your anchor points, your tie downs, those are the cleats of the boat. When you do buy a boat pontoon through us though, you will get the Coast Guard safety package from us. So it's basically a starter kit with buoys, your anchor, your lines, your life jackets, flare guns, whistles, everything that you're gonna need to be safe if anything should happen on that water. We're gonna walk back here and show you on this floor plane. Again, it's the 20 footer, but this is gonna have the 70 horsepower Yamaha 4-stroke. So this is going to be able to get you through those smaller lakes and smoother waters. With the reservoir here, what you'll see is they actually started putting the gas tanks in here instead of in the floor plane itself, taking away your space. And then standard is going to be, if you see this is your depth and fish finder. So it's comes standard on all our boats that we carry here. We'll start in the front. So what you'll see is 4 people, 5 people, 6 people could actually sit up here if you want to get a lot of people up front. They come with the cup holders. The seats come up nice and easy for storage underneath. This one comes with the bimini top cover. It will also come with the storage cover too. So while you have it in storage mode, it's going to basically be a snap-on going around this. Your seat cushions and everything, nice, comfortable. These are made so that way it's going to take that sun beating down on them, so you don't have to worry about this fading, cracking, or anything in the future. And again, inside the storage is Lexan, so if you really wanted to, put some ice in there, turn this into your cooler. There's a door for up front, so a nice lock on this one, swings open, and then your dock side, you got another gate on it, and then the rear, by the rear engine, you have another gate back there too. So you got 3 points of entry and exit on this one. The top on this one is a manual. The bimini top is manual. So this is going to be just unclamp these arms and the back 2 arms, and it just folds right back. Put that zipper cover over it, and then it's stored away for you. You don't have to worry about when you actually store the boat into the dock or wherever you're going to store it at. And then more storage back here. Look at, you got lots of seating back here. The captain's chair, more seating. Speakers underneath. These are all marine grade speakers, 2 in front, 2 in the back. We could take a look at the captain's area here. So it is a tilt wheel. So you push the button down, tilts up and down. You do have the Jensen radio here, which is Bluetooth, so you can pair your phone up to this. Just by turning that on, the radio will come on. You got your lights underneath, blue LED lights, so it helps light up the floor once you start getting dark outside. Anchor navigation lights, so if you put it down, it will be almost acting like headlights on the front here. And then your dock lights are going to be the lights for outside. So people can see you as you're going down. USB ports here, so you can plug your phone in. You do have this breakaway cord, so if you fell out the boat, you would have this wrapped in your waist, and it would cut the engine off, which is another safety feature you get. You got your tachonometers, you got your mile per hour, and all your other features for battery life, so you can maintain everything. Your ignition and your throttle control here for the engine. It is power steering, so nice, easy to turn as you're running down the water here. Your trim modes here, and then this is your depth finder. So if you turn that on, that is actually going to show you your depth, and it's also a fish finder. So it's a Humminbird, one of the top of the lines when it comes to that. We have a lot of other features we talk about, the construction of the boat and everything. Please give us a call here, 716-694-0188. Again, my name is Matt Smith, and my extension is 443. We have a few different boat specialists here that can help you out too.